In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a view in Snowflake. Let's dive right in and make sure you're comfortable with these steps so you can get your task done efficiently. First, we're going to start by logging into Snowsite. So, fire up your preferred web browser and navigate to https://app.snowflake.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. It's super important to have them handy, so make sure you have those details ready. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Snowflake interface. Now, what you want to do next is to locate the Data tab. This can be found on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Data to move forward. This is where you'll be able to view the databases and schemas that are available to you. Once you're in the Data section, you'll need to select the database and the schema that contain the view you want to rename. Navigate through your options to find the specific view you're looking to change. When you're at this stage, make sure you're under the Views section. This is crucial because we're focusing specifically on changing the name of a view, and we want to make sure we're modifying the right object. With your desired view in sight, direct your attention to the three dots, or the ellipsis icon, located next to the view. This icon is your gateway to a variety of actions you can perform. Click on this ellipsis, and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options, you'll see Rename. Go ahead and select Rename to proceed with changing the name of your view. Now it's time to enter the new name. Carefully type in the new name you want for your view. Make sure the name aligns with your naming conventions or whatever system you're following for easy identification later on. Once you've entered the new name, you'll need to confirm your choice. This is an essential step, as confirming will set the new name into place. And there you have it. Once you've confirmed the change, your view has been successfully renamed. It's pretty straightforward, isn't it? By following these steps, you've efficiently altered your view's title within Snowflake, making your database more organized and reflective of your current projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials that streamline your workflow.